Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're going to learn how to equip Skydive Emote in Apex. Now, first things first, a Skydive Emote is an emote that you can perform after you've jumped out of the dropship, but before you've landed on the ground. So as you're falling into the match and going down, flying down, you can go ahead and perform some kind of little twirl, flip, spin, or some kind of little emote, and that is called a Skydive Emote. Now to go ahead and equip it, we'll go up to Legends. We'll go ahead and select the legend we would like to equip this for, and then we'll go up to the very top and click on Emote Wheel. From there, we'll go ahead and click on Skydive Emotes, and from here we can go ahead and select whichever emote we would like to equip. Now I have 4 here, you can see, and I've gone ahead and equipped all of them. That means I can go ahead and hold down A because I'm on Xbox, or X if you're on PlayStation, or whatever key you have bound on PC. You can go ahead and hold that down and you can select from any one of these different emotes, which will allow you to go ahead and perform that emote while you are falling down to the ground from the dropship. Now to go ahead and unequip some of these, we can go ahead and just simply hit the button that says right down here where my cursor is. If you look right down there, you can see we can clear it, or we can go ahead and equip it, and we can also select where we would like to place it in our list of equipped emotes. And it's just that simple to equip a Skydive emote in Apex. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and hit the subscribe button and drop a like. Take care.